Hello all. In this tutorial, I would like to demonstrate how one can go about using a ternary operator to write a if statement. And also I will show you how you can one simple if statement and also use the ternary operator to write an if statement, which is an alternative to the if statement, which of course we're going to be talking a lot in our discussion week as well. So having said that, let's go ahead and create a new project. I'm using Visual Studio 2012. Now we're going to be using Win32 console application. So okay. Next, and we're going to using empty project. Finish. Then under Solution Explorer, right click, add new item, since it's a new program that we're writing. We're going to be using C++ file. All right, now that we have our editor, so we can go ahead and begin our code. The first thing we need to do is we need to include our library. We're going to be using IO stream. Library will include that. Next, we're going to be using the command using stt standard cout using standard cn input using standard end of line Okay, as we can see, the compiler is complaining. It's depicted underline a red line. So as we can see that we miss one additional column. So now that should go away. Good. Now next we're gonna create our main function, which is required by the compiler to execute your program. All right, in this case, let's go ahead and declare a variable called val of type integer. Next, let's go ahead and just type a statement using the cout to ask the user and to enter a value. Please enter a value. End of line. Next, we're gonna use the standard input and we're gonna pass the value to the variable val. Okay. Now, in this case, let's write an if statement. For instance, if the val is greater than 50, we're going to open bracket, we're going to write a statement. And we're going to close the bracket. Next, we want to write another if statement by using the ternary operator. So in this case, we're still gonna depict a message. We're gonna say val value is less than 50 in this case. If it's true, then we're gonna print a statement saying the value is less than 50. Otherwise, we're gonna say a value greater than 50, right? And then we close it, the parentheses, end of line, and then we're gonna type the system pause command. So the value, once it's displayed on the screen, stays there for us to view it. If we don't put this right system pause, it's going to be very fast, so you're not going to have a chance to take a look at the result. So let's go ahead and recap. So we're writing a program to demonstrate how we use an if statement and also how we can use a ternary operator to to mimic if statement. That's the objective of this tutorial, is to just kind of demo that. Let's put a comment here too. We're gonna call this okay. Right, so now let's go ahead and run our program. Alt F5. Okay, we're going to enter the value 60. The value is less than 50. The value is greater than 50. Okay. I think here we made a logic mistake. It should have been the value is greater than 50, right? If we enter 60, which is greater than 50, which equals to true, then this statement should be printed. And here we have another statement where if this is true, it should print this one. Otherwise, it should print this statement, so which is true as well. So let's go around one more time. So if you have 60, so both of those if statements for us print the correct result. Now let's enter a value less than 43, for instance. Let's see if it's output the result properly. So in this case, it's correct. The value is less than 50. So again, the objective of this tutorial was to introduce you to the mechanic of writing of ternary operator, which is also similar to an if statement, for you to see the difference. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your discussion question. Thank you.